आईडी कार्ड लगा कर रही है.
Let me just see. Okay, so good morning, everyone. We have logged in here for MIEE nomination session. Welcome all the teachers for the session here. And I'm just starting to share my screen. Be ready with your devices on whatever you are working, along with the phones. If you do few things simultaneously, and then we would have more and more queries. So first of all, I would like to inform a query asked by Prabjot ma'am. So she's asking about the date. Yes, we have time till 15 July. However, this time MIE nomination is little changed. So we have three phases to go ahead with. Phase 1, phase 2, and then phase 3. So phase 1 and phase 2 are being looked into by the machine learning, wherein we just answer some questions and the machine checks whether our questions are correct or incorrect, or do we satisfy the criteria. And those who would qualify for phase 1 and phase 2, their applications would be sent further in phase 3 to people who are going to read these applications. So in phase 3 we have got 5 questions which have to be answered by all of us. In phase 1 and phase 2 there are some inbuilt questions which would be a drop down menu or a one liner text that is given, and we have to answer those. So again comes the glitch. When is the last date to apply? So we have planned by 10th of June, all of us should have applied so that we are in a better state. Now, maximum a few of us have joined late and we are not aware of, I think we should go for 15th June, because by the end of June, they are going to verify all the phase 1 and phase 2 applications. And they said who would not qualify for phase 1 and phase 2, you would still have time if you are able to reapply with those changes or anything else that you would do in this meanwhile. Okay, so the quicker we apply for the first round, if we qualify well enough, however, if there is any glitch or if we couldn't qualify for any reason, then we would still have some time in our hand so that we can go ahead and apply for the second one. That is the reason we are going for a date which is 15th of June. I would not like to go ahead and stretch, because if I say 15th, we might end up doing 25th. So that's the reason. Let us keep it till 15th only so that we finish, all of us finish the nomination round. And God forbid, if we need to reapply, then we would still have days, number of days in our hands. Okay. I'm about to share the Word file which we received in the Outlook from the Microsoft people. So the first query, I think all of you have understood about the date. Let us see what all they require from us. Please have all your questions ready. We will try to wind up the session soon after giving all the relevant information. And note it down. First step is looking at the date for the application. That's the first step. Kindly make a note and share it in the chat window towards the end. One of you who would volunteer, that would be great. Step number 2 is completing the 21 CLD courses on education.microsoft.com. Let me go there as well. We have about 2 or 3 educators who are very much new along with us. So just for their convenience, we will take 5 more minutes and a refresher for all of us. Education.microsoft.com, where we are supposed to do the courses. Kindly let me know when my voice would not be audible or if there is any inconvenience. Okay, so this is the website which is for Microsoft educators. We have got lots of courses, learning resources, everything available here. It's a great help. So we all should register. If you are first time registering, on the right hand side corner where it is showing S and P written in white color on a maroon color circle, here it would be blank and it will ask you for sign up. Since it's my own ID and I'm using the same device, it's not asking me like that. So I have already logged in, and we can use our Outlook ID, which is our office.com ID or the school ID, whichever we call it. So my ID, I have used it, same ID, same password that we log in with office.com or to the Teams application. So we can use the same one. Once we are logged in, this is the page how it appears. Okay. And then we go here, training. the first tab, which is from the left side behind Microsoft Educator Center. If you can see, it's training. There's a drop down. When you click on it, it takes us to courses. We need to click on this courses part, and everyone, all of us have to be an MIE with 1,000 points. Whenever we do these courses and all, we get points. Some are 500, some are 100, some are 1,000. After every course, there's a quiz. At times it's a smaller one, at times it takes 2-3 hours, at times it is known by us. Every tool has a course, Teams, Forms, everything. So we can all do it. And here we go for the search. 21, I'll write CLND. The moment I write 21 CLD and I click, there are two courses here. Okay, so we need to click on one of the courses. These are all tabs which will take us further. See, I have completed, so it shows course completed. Okay, the course was published on 26th of February. However, I completed on 31st of May. So once we have completed the course, we need to read few things. Click on next, 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 like any other courses that we do. There's a tab. It's very self-explanatory, and for us who are already into the all these tools and all, it will be pretty easy, I suppose. And after the course is done, there are some videos, YouTube links which we can listen. Then comes the quiz part. So for every quiz, for every course, there is some given percentage. Sometimes it is 50, sometimes it is 100% pass, sometimes it is 80%, like that. So these are the two courses of 21 CLD which we have to do. Whichever you find or you want, you can take screenshots as per your convenience and kindly note down the steps for your reference, which is going to be easier. Now, then I come to our three educators who have joined us recently. So what you have to do, you need to click on this difficulty and click on the beginner part. Once we click on this beginner part, you get all those courses which are for the beginners, in the sense which people who are very much new to these and who would just like to go ahead and start the courses. So you can click on this beginner part and all the courses which are available here. You can do those courses one after the other. As I said, sometimes it takes 10 minutes, sometimes it takes 15 or 1 hour or so. It again depends on our speed and whatever we have learned. So I've just clicked on this beginner part, maybe 2-3 things I'm doing together. So laptop is in a fix. I feel it's feeling Saturday hai yaar, chhod do mujhe. But never mind, we'll go ahead with it. I've just clicked on the beginner part and then we will get the courses which are for the beginners. You can also go ahead with the intermediate or the advanced. Or we straight away search from this training tab and we click on it and it will show us all the courses which are appearing. Right. So this is the education.microsoft.com. Then comes our transcript. Why are we doing these courses? What are we going to gain out of that? I'll let you know. We click on our names or the tab, which is whatever you call it, the profile. You can make a picture, you can edit your profile, you can go to my profile and edit everything that you want. Your wish or your interest, your the type of documents that you want from them, any learning material that we are looking for, it all is going to be there. Next comes the redeem achievement code. So whenever we do any courses, we attend any sessions or so, the trainers there, they give us a code. So we enter that code here and we can redeem that. Okay, so this is just a refresher for those who have done. And once we have done this, we go back to our courses type and let us see our learning path. Here we get to download our transcript. A transcript is what? Where we have got all the courses, all the batches. So this is called the transcript page, right? So these are all the courses, all the batches that any one of us completes, and we get these batches. We also get points. You can get the certificate. You want to click on the you want to view the certificate, you click on this view certificate part, and this is how the certificate is. Sorry, this is the batch information. You can share it on your Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn that you have completed this course, so that you can also motivate and let other educators know that this is how I have done the course. You can also do it. So the link is automatically copied and you can tweet it or share it. This is how the certificate looks for one course. We all would get, see, it shows estimated duration 1 hour. Okay, so this is how all the certificates would look, and you can download all the certificates and keep it for yourself. It's your wish. However, if we have to, or if we download the transcript, we need to click on this view transcript. And the moment we click on it, it will save as PDF page. We need to save as in our laptop's downloads column, and then we go to OneDrive. Okay, this is the training transcript. Here is how we are downloading. Anu ma'am and someone else was also asking this. We have done earlier. Kindly make a note this time again. This is how the page opens. We download it. I'm just downloading. The moment it downloads from our Office 365 ID, we also have OneDrive, which would help us. So it says transcript 2 is the name. It's a PDF document. I click on save. It is saving all here. It will show up in my downloads here. In the meanwhile, I'll go back to my Microsoft Office. From here, I'll click on my OneDrive, where I'll upload this transcript, and I would get a link to be updated in my MIE nomination form. You can see here transcript2.pdf. I just close this page. I'm opening the office.com. OneDrive is as good as any other, your Google Drive or something else, wherever you have to save. But usually we use OneDrive. The reason, we are already working on Outlook IDs, and it's better to connect with all the tools that we have with Microsoft Office. Okay, so that's the reason. Here are all the apps that we have. The cloud one, first, second, third, and fifth. If you check this fifth, the moment I put my cursor here, it shows OneDrive. I click on it. I understand many of us are IT teachers here. I'm just going ahead with a simple step so that anyone who is unable to find these can take a note. As I said, keep on clicking screenshots or making note on your notebook or on your notepad or phone, whichever is convenient to you. What are we doing here? We are creating a link for the OneDrive. Anu ma'am, are you able to catch what I'm saying? No ma'am, can you unmute yourself? Okay, maybe Anu ma'am is facing some concern. So Aman
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, I'm getting it now.
Oh, great,
Yes,
great.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Hardeep ma'am. Aman ma'am, what step should I do next? Can you guide us? You let me know and I'll go ahead with that.
You have uploaded, ma'am. Then we can directly upload the transcript जो हमने download किया है उसको हम upload कर सकते हैं.
Right. So now we are, thank you so much, Aman ma'am. You are correct. Be there. I'll again ask you what I have to do. I'm just telling the steps. So we click on this upload part. I have opened the OneDrive from the Office 365. We click on files. It will direct us to our downloads, because usually any laptop would save everything in downloads until and unless we have given a specific path to them. अब ये मुझे अपने downloads पे लेके जा रहा है. We are going there now. This is the transcript that I had downloaded just now. I'm hovering the cursor here. You can have a quick look. I click on this transcript. It got a tick is there. It is selected. I click on open. It is uploading. Let us see, where does it upload? Yes, Aman ma'am, it's uploading. I think it's done. What do I do next?
After uploading transcript, ma'am,
Yep.
then we should move on to the form.
Okay. How do we take the link of this transcript?
Ma'am, we can save it to, if we have already saved it to OneDrive, and when we will try right click on it and try to open it, and it will generate a link.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much, Aman ma'am, for your effort. So what she said is correct. The moment I have uploaded, I get a share option here. I click here. I can get the link and everything. If I do not get it, what else can I do? One step Aman ma'am has said. Second is share here. Third is I just hover my cursor here, transcript, and then can you see 3 elliptical dots here, which are in the vertical position, the where I am hovering the cursor here. Okay, I need to click on this. The moment I click on this, it again gives me these options like open, preview, share. There are many. I would go to copy link. I'll click on it. Kindly listen why I am saying this step again and again. Here we have to make it only viewable. At the same time, we also make it public. See, the link says anyone with the link can edit. Automatically, whenever we make a link, it will give us an option of editing. But we do not want people to edit our profile. We just want them to view or see. So I clicked on that, anyone can edit. It took me to this page. I'll remove this allow editing. Now it was blue in color. See, if I click it, it's blue in color. I remove this, I click on it, it becomes gray in color, and this block download is again kept this side. Okay, this is where, and you see that people in anyone with the link is selected. So anyone with the link means I am making it public. If this people with existing access is there or specific people is there, ya fir people in Kamla Nehru Public School with the link is there, so that means only our teachers can view our transcript, but someone who's going to check, he or she is not from our school. That is why I'm saying we have to make all the links public. Anyone with the link has to be selected here. It is auto selected, but we have to make sure that yes, it is done. Otherwise, we have to click it. Two things. Allow editing ko hataiye. Anyone with the link ko rakhiye. Means you are making your link public and you are not allowing anyone to edit. The moment these two things are selected, you click on apply. It's again creating, what did it say now? Creating shareable link. अब देखिए यहाँ क्या आ गया. Anyone with the link can view. Earlier it was edit, now it is view. I just click on this copy. मेरी transcript की link बन गई है. So do as many courses as you can within today and tomorrow, and then you make a transcript so that you have at least 15, 20, 26 courses. I'll again take you through the Word file wherein it will give you number of points as per the batches that we have. Now what do? We copy this and we go to our Word file and we can paste it. फिलहाल के लिए we can send it to anyone so that we know कि हमने किसी को भेजा. You can have WhatsApp web opened on your screen and you can share it with one of your relatives or someone who is not a, मतलब कि किसी को problem नहीं उस चीज से, है ना? You can share with that person so that the link is there in your profile. Or you can just go to your Outlook mail and drafts में रख लीजिए, whichever is convenient. It's up to us. ठीक है? So education.microsoft.com. This step is done. Now, first step I told you that you have to note the date. Second step is going to Education Microsoft and earning certificates. At least 1000 points should be there. Third is 21 CLD course has to be finished by everyone. Now I come to the next one, which is Microsoft Learn. I suppose this was the link. Let's see. There is another, yeah. There is another educator community resources, which is Microsoft Learn. So this time they have included this also, and they are very, very easy courses. Little technical though. However, I think if we read it twice, thrice, then we would be able to do it. And some points here would fetch you also some additional points if you score points here and you go ahead with applying for the MIE. So currently it's showing level 2. I had logged in. Again, we can use the same ID and password of the Outlook. I have used it. I didn't put any picture, so it's showing, no, it's not showing any picture. It's showing learning path. So this is what we are. 20% किसी का completed, किसी का ये, किसी का बिल्कुल भी नहीं किया. These are different courses that I was doing, and we can get some certificates here also. So Microsoft Learn is another link where we get to work on technical courses and we earn points for that. Let me see the profile collections. Let's see if I have any collections in my profile edited on 5th of June. Okay, I'll just click on this achievements part, certifications, collections. So 3 batches I have got. I think 1 trophy I have got here, 29th of May. 29th of May. If you see last time when we had workshop, after that I just did this. So these are there. Certifications, you can go and you get to see what certifications we have got. Challenges में आप जाओगे, so you can get some challenges, some courses that we have enrolled and we can do it. So the 4th step was Microsoft.learn. Microsoft.com, you can write it on the Google, or you write Microsoft.learn and it will take you to the exact page. Right, done. Take a deep breath, everyone, and take a 1-minute break. I'll also get a glass of water for myself. Yes, teachers, I am back. So, oh, I had switched on my camera. I'm not sure what happened here.
It's
So,
on, ma'am.
it's on. Okay, I thought maybe I went to another screen so I couldn't see it.
Now it's off.
Okay, I did the opposite one. All right. Okay, so far so good. Any questions here, please?
Yes, good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm not able to find 21 CLD course in Microsoft Education Center.
Okay, what have you written
I
there?
have I have written 21 space CLD.
Are there any spaces between CLD?
Yes, ma'am, 21 space CLD course. Is it right?
CLD 4?
Course, course. CORS.
Course, okay, right.
COUR. Haan,
COURSC, right. Sure, I'll go ahead and try. But when I wrote 21 CLD, it was opening. Let me have a quick look once again. I'm just trying to apply my
Yes,
background
yes.
effects. Huh?
Yes, ma'am, it is open without space. We can search it.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Okay.
So that's done.
Haan.
And anyone else? Most welcome, Ji. Anyone else? Any queries till now here? Please make the best use of this time because Monday to Friday we all are in fact so occupied that we hardly get any time. Of course, our group is there and you can keep on writing questions and all our team members are there to help each other.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
Yes,
गुड
ma'am. Please go
आफ्टरनून
ahead.
शारदा मैम मैंने पूछना था जो आपने लर्न का बोला है उसके कितने कोर्स हमें करने चाहिए
I didn't specifically check. They were just saying log into Microsoft Learn and you can also get there. So now I'm going to the Word file. Let us find out if we have any specific numbers given there. Okay.
ओके आई गॉट द 5 badges फ्रॉम देयर 1
Okay.
ट्रॉफी एंड 5 badges
That's great. Very good.
मुझे पता नहीं है मुझे मिली कैसे वो लेवल जैसे कंप्लीट हो रहे थे कहीं पे लेवल 2 पर हुआ फिर वो पता नहीं मैं कहाँ चली गई लेवल 3 शुरू हो गया मुझे पता ही नहीं
Exactly. That's what was happening from level 1 to 2 also for me. Because
हाँ
hardly I understood what's happening. Like we were
हाँ
clicking. Kabhi I just thought कि this is a course है ना. I ended up listening to the video. फिर मैंने
हाँ
next click करा. So it gave me a thing कि you are in level 2 now.
हाँ ऐसा ही कुछ था
Correct.
अभी ये मेरा लेवल 2 कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ था लेवल 3 निकल गया अभी वो भी कंप्लीट नहीं है वैसे बट अभी
हाँ.
मैंने प्रोफाइल में जैसे चेक किया तो अभी लिखा आ रहा है 5 बैजेस 1 ट्रॉफी अब ये मुझे पता नहीं कैसे मिल गए
Okay. That's good. So you got a bonus, huh? Never mind. They will not give anything in free, है ना? Of course,
या
I think there is some given level. जैसे वो threshold होता है ना कि if you get 30% or the 45-40%, then you go to this level, and still you are in that level for some given time. And the moment you reach a threshold, they will take you to the next level. जैसे वो games हम खेलते हैं जो phone पे games उसमें होता है, something like that. So this is
यस
the word. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. This is the word file that I had received and I have shared with many of you. I'll go ahead and share further. Hardeep ma'am, I hope we are on the right track.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Do let me know if you have any specific questions after this. ठीक
No,
है?
ma'am. Till now it's clear. But one thing I just want to know. Yesterday I just click on this and then at the last there is a written registered now, right? I just click on that. मैंने कहा चलो try करते हैं. तो मैंने
हाँ.
register कर दिया. बट उसके बाद जो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वाला जो एज है वो खुल रहा है ना वो सब मेरे बारे में बता रहा है मतलब आई एम सरप्राइज वो सब कैसे हो गया वो मेरे ब्राउजर के ऊपर सारी डिटेल्स मेरी कैसे आ रही हैं तो फिर
अरे
मैंने
you
रात
should
में रोक दिया सब कुछ
you should not be surprised, but all AI enabled है ना. आप तो AI वाले हो, आपको नहीं surprise होना चाहिए. Yeah,
मैंने
you know
कहा
what?
ये ना
I'll
मैं
tell
कहीं
you.
और लैंड हो जाऊं
हाँ, correct. I'll tell you a funny thing. I was registering for some course है ना, मतलब out of this Microsoft, and my husband said कि ठीक है, I'll help you do that. So he did it from his laptop, and I don't know what all he did. Form भर गया, सब कुछ हो गया. The moment I got the confirmation, they said student name Rajesh Dorbala, wife of Rajesh Dorbala. I'm like, नाम और wife of दोनों सेम ही है, ऐसा कैसे हो गया?
या मैंने
So
वही कहा.
later we came to know because on his device he was using Gmail and all his IDs ना, so
that's
system
true.
automatically picked it up. So
That's
जो
true.
हमने बाकी सब information जो manually डालनी थी वो तो ठीक था, but it's all AI enabled. So be sure
Yeah.
whenever we are doing these things कि हमारी सारी unwanted चीजें या कोई transactions, monetary transactions बंद रहे, है ना?
नहीं, I was alert, but मैंने कहा चलो last में एक ना registered आते हैं ना, registered now. I said okay, चलो let's try it because
Correct.
I was fighting, struggling with all these things, and all of a sudden I landed to somewhere. I there everything of my laptop is show. I फटाफट मैंने बंद करके ना सो गई, मुझे stress के लिए. मैं कहा सुबह उठ के देखूंगी क्या क्या कर दिया मैंने. So
Correct.
that's a
पता नहीं
problem.
नींद में कुछ ज्यादा ही ना कर दिया.
मेरे लेसन प्लान्स ये सब दिख रहा है मुझे एक ही अपनी स्क्रीन के ऊपर.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much. You are really, I was from the 2 days I was struggling for all these things.
No worries. We are a team. Chalo, let's get back to our work now. So again, you're all ready with your pens and notebooks and your screenshots to be taken. We start here with the word file, which is definitions. I understand few teachers had attended last Saturday. I'm sorry to have taken your time. However, I would want you all to listen to these once again. However, if you're pretty sure, then okay, you can mute your headphones. I do not have any concerns. But I want all of us should be MIEE qualified, and there should not be any stone unturned. जो भी काम आप करते हो क्लास में, you make a Kahoot, you do Nearpod, you do this, you do that, everything has to be noted. Okay, do not miss any points. Minimum 500 words is the requirement, maximum 2000 words is there, so kindly take some time for yourself and complete this, right? We come to the word file here. The first two are definitions which you can read on your own, and that's very easy. We do not need to explain that. We come back to the phase 1. It's going pretty quick. About you. The moment I click here, control and enter, okay, it will take me to the questions which I have to answer under about you, like about me, whosoever is filling the form. What do we do here? We have to answer these questions which are related to our name, general questions which ma'am had also discussed. This is just a refresher. School, institution, we would get these few things which are same for everyone, like organization email ID, organization address, which remains same. What is your title? Educator, teacher, coordinator, whatever you have to write. In this word file, there are few answers which are given like this. That means these are going to be dropped down in the form. This is running too much. Current role at the school. आपके फॉर्म पे ये सारे ड्रॉप डाउन होंगे. The moment you click on the drop down here, check all that apply. You will have check boxes here, and you have to click on those check boxes. So kindly go through this so that you are pretty clear. Phase 1 is quite easy. बहुत ज़्यादा easy है. That's no difficulty. Our school is a showcase school, and then again it says if it is a showcase school, what you have to do, the age group that you are teaching, you have to select that option. Wherever we can select more than one answer, we will get select all that apply in the bracket. That means more than one answer is acceptable. If not, then we would get a radio button which is circular in shape, and you have to click in between, right? That's the one. And then you go, what are the subjects that you teach? This also is easy for us. Do you students, learners have access to internet? Yes, we have. So we will select here mobile or whichever is convenient for us, whatever we are using. I come to this question, which is important. Share the URL to your social handles. We would not remember all these, है ना, कि on the spot आपकी email ID क्या है, Twitter क्या है. Email ID still we remember. Facebook की handle कैसे दिखती है, Instagram क्या है. So जो भी social media we all are using from all these LinkedIn, YouTube, blog, other LinkedIn, Instagram, kindly copy all the handles and keep it on the word file. इसको ready रख लीजिए. मैं अपने name पे जाऊंगी. ट्विटर का आप कैसे ढूंढ सकते हो, ट्विटर पे आप क्लिक करोगे, सो देन यू गेट जहाँ पे एट शारदा पुल्ला भट्ला लिखा होगा, शारदा पुल्ला भाटू समथिंग लाइक दैट इज माय आईडी. सो आई नीड टू कॉपी दैट हैंडल. फेसबुक पे जाओ शारदा पुल्ला भट्ला, you need to copy that. Instagram पे भी something like that is there, LinkedIn पे भी. So we copy all those and we keep it here. जहाँ जहाँ ये आंसर है ना, ये आपकी एडिटेबल फाइल है. You can go back here, इसको आपने बैक स्पेस करा, ये खाली हो गया और आपने कॉपी कर लिया अपने ट्विटर से इसे और आपने यहाँ जा करके लिख के रख लिया इसको. This is my BHA2. This is my Twitter handle. So मैंने इसको रख लिया. उसी तरह Facebook, ये सारे आंसर्स रेडी रखिए. That is the reason we came here. How many followers do you have on Twitter? The moment you go on Twitter, on your profile, if you select on the third line, you have this option, number of followers, followings, मतलब आप कितनों को फॉलो कर रहे हो और आपको कितने लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं. Sort of friends that you have on Facebook वगैरह पे, जो आप friends और अलग अलग नाम होते हैं अलग अलग जगहों पे. You check it. So for the Twitter, it is followers. Right, we come back to the next question. What tool devices do you use regularly? Give me a second, I'll just close this door. That's what happens in virtual learning if everyone is attending some class, hai na? Okay, so next question was, what tool devices do you use regularly? So we are using Windows devices. We select on this Windows devices. We use Office 365, इसको भी select कर लेंगे. Teams हम करते हैं, इसको भी select कर लेंगे. अगर आप Zoom use कर रहे हो for learning something or teaching, then you click on this Zoom. But हम teaching में Zoom नहीं use करते, so we are not clicking on that. What tool devices does your school organization use? Sorry, this was for us, the first one. Like we are attending any sessions, Wakelet की या किसी और की, अगर आप Zoom पे attend कर रहे हो, you can click on that. What tools devices does your school organization use? Means the remote learning sessions that we are having. So we use Windows devices, we use 365 and Teams. These three things would be selected in the second question. हम Zoom पढ़ाने के लिए नहीं use करते, so we are not going to select that. Okay. Then it comes with what other edtech communities are you connected? So जो भी आप कर रहे हो, आप बंसी कर रहे हो, educator community कर रहे हो, Google certified coach अगर आप पहले से रहे हो या you are doing, you can select it. Then we have this Kahoot ambassador, Merge ambassador, Minecraft global mentor, National Geographic certified, Nearpod certified. ये सब हम कर सकते हैं. So in the meanwhile, let me congratulate Hina ma'am. She is also a Nearpod certified educator now, and she has, I think she's got the Kahoot ambassador as well. Kahoot also she has got some other code. So congratulations Hina ma'am on behalf of all of us. I see so many claps on the screen.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you,
Most
teacher.
welcome. So we all can go ahead and apply for these, and we would share the link also. Earlier also we had shared, again we would go ahead and share. Then as per the Word file, this comes now, learn.microsoft.com. So 5 steps are over. Phase 1 तक हमने देख लिया. पहले की हमारी जो steps थी, checking the date, educator community पे points, then going to the 21 CLD course and completing, then getting the Microsoft Learn thing, and then looking at the phase 1. So 5 steps are completed for us. So this was the 4th step, learn.microsoft.com. So the link is also here. Agar link aisa hai, you are unable to click it on the Word file, you need to press the Control and the Enter tab of your laptop. दोनों को साथ में. Okay, then you get a hand. See, the moment I press Control and I just press Control, I get a tab, hand signature here, like something pointing it out. And the moment I hit the Enter, वो page खुल जाएगी. Okay, I've left it. So that you do it, and if yes, share the URL to your public profile here. इस जगह पे आपने उसको भी रख लेना है. मतलब जो हमने यहाँ Microsoft Learn करा था ना, I'll just show it to you again. We go here and we take profile. हम profile पर जाएंगे, and this one which is there, we have to copy this profile link, Control C, we copy it, and we can keep it where I'll go to the Word file. Just go to the Word file.
ये वाली तो मैम आपकी वही आईडी है ना, तो ये कैसे पता लगेगा यहाँ पे?
Public profile they are saying ना, so जो हमारी ये आईडी होगी तो फिर it will paste, it will give us the
आईडी हमारे टीम्स वाली वही आईडी ना, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वाली आईडी है ना यहाँ पे.
Right, so I need to take the public profile the way we took it for the educator community. जैसे transcript के लिए हमने. इसकी पब्लिक प्रोफाइल कहाँ से आएगी फिर? माइक्रोसॉफ्ट लर्न की पब्लिक प्रोफाइल कहाँ से आएगी, पता है आपको? मुझे भी बताओ।
ये रहा,
हाँ,
हाँ
करेक्ट। तो
ये
द
वाला,
मोमेंट आई करेक्ट आई क्लिक्ड ऑन दिस, मैं बताऊं कि कैसे करा मैंने। पहले मैंने इस पे क्लिक किया, फिर मैंने प्रोफाइल पे क्लिक किया, तो लेफ्ट साइड में ये लिंक्स आई एंड आई क्लिक्ड ऑन द सेटिंग्स। ओके, सो 1 फेस के जहां पिक्चर यू पुट, क्लिक ऑन दैट। स्टेप नंबर 2 प्रोफाइल, click on it. Step number 3 left side settings, click on that, and then we get username and URL is written. Okay, so ये जो भी है हम इसको कर्सर को यहाँ लेके जाते हैं. I'm just selecting it. So there is some name that we have and a number that they have given. So Control C, I pressed Control and C button on the laptop keyboard. I go back here and I do a Control V. I'm just deleting the earlier one.
मैम यू हैव कॉपी द यूजर नेम नॉट द URL, URL करना ना यहाँ पे।
ये URL ही कॉपी किया, पहले वाला यूजर नेम कॉपी किया था। मैं फिर देख लेती हूँ, आप बताना मुझे ठीक है कि नहीं। I'll just go here one. ओके, मैंने इसको पेस्ट करके रखा। I go back to the Microsoft Learn page. This one मैंने ये वाला कॉपी किया मैम। It said यूजर नेम एंड URL.
तो URL हमारी नॉर्मली यही होती है ना, HTTPS ऐसे वाली।
तो और कहाँ मिलेगी?
वो जो उसके साथ था वो URL ही था ना, जहाँ पे नेम था।
वो जो उसके आगे है,
जहाँ
आई
से आप
थिंक।
कह रहे हो
हाँ, शायद यही है।
HTTPS docs Microsoft, ये वाला।
यस मैम।
तो
अगर
ये तो
आप इसको जरा ऊपर क्लिक करके देखो तो टैब पे, न्यू टैब पे क्या ये जाता है वहां पे, इसको कॉपी करके।
ओके, HTTPS से आप कह रहे हो?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
यस मैम।
इसको कॉपी करके आप ऊपर जरा इसको गूगल पे करो सर्च।
यूजर तक कॉपी करूं कि पूरा जहां शारदा नेम भी दिख रहा है वो भी कॉपी करूं क्या?
नहीं मैम, यहाँ तक कॉपी करो, सिर्फ यहाँ तक। हाँ,
हाँ,
क्योंकि वो तो अलग बॉक्स में है ना, एक
हाँ, इसीलिए।
टेक्स्ट बॉक्स में है।
बट ये यूजर तक तो इट विल नॉट टेक मी टू एनी पेज ना, क्योंकि
नहीं फिर वहां पे यूजर नेम पूछेगा वो, आई थिंक।
नहीं, वो एक सर्कल देखो, वो प्रोफाइल आ तो रहा है शायद, वेटिंग में ऊपर दिख रहा है आपको?
हाँ, हाँ, प्रोफाइल और साथ में
माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कुछ आ रहा है।
अगर मेरी ही पेज ओपन हो जाएगी तो फिर वी हैव टू कॉपी दिस। अच्छा, इट टुक ऑटोमेटिकली 7564 इसने ले लिया।
हाँ, वही वो सारा URL होगा ना उसका। यस मैम। हाँ, सी इट्स टेकन,
निकल गया मैम, यही वाला URL होगा।
तो दैट मीन्स हम पूरा यहाँ से यूजर्स के बाद जो शारदा पुल्ला भट्ला तक लिखा है वो भी अगर कॉपी करेंगे तो सेम ही आएगा।
नहीं मैम, वो कॉपी होगा नहीं, क्योंकि वो देखो आगे जा नहीं ना रहा।
देखो ब्लू सेलेक्ट हो गया।
हाँ, उसको कर देखिए जरा।
It is taking to the same page. दोनों ways it is same page only.
Same page, right.
हाँ, 7564 आ गया। Good, very good. Okay, so teachers, we understood from where we took it. Thank you so much, Indu ma'am and Hardeep ma'am. So once again, we repeat the steps. If we were too quick, please see the steps slowly. I click on this name part. It is not my name or my picture because I didn't paste it. इसको जैसे मैंने click किया, it took me to the small profile, PROFILE. I click on that profile. फिर लेफ्ट पे हमें ये सेटिंग्स वाली पेज ओपन हो जाएगी। लेफ्ट साइड में वी हैव ऑल द लिंक्स, सो लास्ट वाली लिंक इज सेटिंग्स। I click on this settings and then I get this personal info username and URL वाली पेज। उसमें on the third line which is there, HTTPS से लेकर के ये सारा है ना। So this whole thing we copied, Control C किया and we tested it. हमने इसको एक दूसरे ब्राउजर पे पेस्ट करके टेस्ट किया कि ये खुल रहा है कि नहीं, और जब हमने टेस्ट किया so we found out कि it's opening the same page on the new browser. So that means this is the URL. First time Microsoft Learn link they are asking. Otherwise earlier they haven't asked. Okay, so this is one more thing that we need to copy paste here. I'm just doing it backspace so that we can copy paste. Someone's calling. Who's this? Okay, so this is how, as ma'am said, कि HTTPS से लेना है. Pretty sure she's correct. So HTTPS से लेकर के हमने यहाँ पर अपनी प्रोफाइल को पेस्ट कर लिया. That's the last part of phase 1. Okay, so this is the last part of phase 1. Next we come to phase 2. This is 3 written, but नीचे भी 3 ही लिखा है. उन्होंने शायद word file में गलती से जल्दी में कुछ लिख दिया होगा. So I can show it to you later also. It's written phase 3 only here. Sometimes it goes very quick, sometimes it's pretty slow. See, here also phase 3 long answer. So 2 बार 3 तो नहीं हो सकता. That is our phase 2.
Sharda ma'am, one question is there from my side, please. मैम ये जो
Sure.
फेज 1 का क्वेश्चन है, ये फॉर्म है, ये कहाँ जाके कौन से लिंक पे हमने क्लिक करना तो ये फॉर्म आएगा?
Sure, I'll let you know about that as well. Towards the end, we will discuss that. Okay.
Okay, fine, great.
Yeah. So this is phase number 2, wherein we have the machine learning scored questions. As I said, this is a machine which is going to score us. Okay. Take a deep breath, all of us, and we are going to start the phase 2. I hope everyone is okay till now. No confusion still here. Ma'am, where can we see points? Anu ma'am, are you talking about the points of education.com educator community?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so on the profile transcript only you will get the points. 500 points, 250 points. In the transcript, हर batch के साथ में points specified है.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm unable to find my Instagram link. Okay, so if you have your Instagram app installed, you can send a screenshot and then we can see from where to find it, right? Okay, so we had these 2 questions. Now we proceed to the phase 2, which is the machine learning. Here comes it. How many courses, learning paths or training Microsoft Educator Community Center have you completed? 0 to 1. All of us would have at least crossed this 0 to 1 part. ये तो पक्का है. So first step is done. This is again a drop down which we select. So 26 they have kept minimum 20. मतलब हम minimum 25 लेके चले, वो maximum कर रहे हैं. But 25 is not a big deal for us and many of us have already done. जिन्होंने नहीं किया, we are there to support you. Kindly go ahead and do as many courses as you can. So we get maximum points in this. 26 अगर हो गया maximum. Next, provide a link to your transcript from educator community. ये हमने देख लिया कैसे हमने view transcript करना है. OneDrive पे हमने save करना है. It says OneDrive पे save करिए. उसकी link आप कहाँ लगाओगे? Step number 4 जहाँ it is written create a URL that you can paste here. We pasted it on the uploaded it in the OneDrive and we took the link. वो वाली link अब आपके यहाँ पर लगनी है. So you got a place where you have to put your link. Now, next let's come back to this. How often do you use these? They are talking about these tools. Use Microsoft Forms in an instructional environment. Instructional environment, the one that we are doing now, virtual learning, remote learning, whatever name we can give it. Whether we are using it daily, weekly, monthly, rarely, never. It's a request. Kindly be very honest to your answers because as I said, it's AI enabled. They might end up checking कि इस ID ये बंदा कह तो रहा है कि हम रोज यूज करते हैं और कितनी बार यूज करते हैं. देखें तो जरा इनकी ID में. So the usage should be there. So accordingly decide if you are using it only in the test or something. You can write monthly. If you use it sometimes during the classes also, you can put it weekly. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं मैं week में 2-3 बार करता हूँ या करती हूँ, you can write daily. And that goes for all the questions here. Use OneNote and staff notebook, like for children, personal organization के लिए जैसे आपकी बच्चे अगर homework submit कर रहे हैं OneNote में and you are checking on the OneNote, you can definitely go ahead and select this daily. OneNote organization staff notebook को आप daily पे click कर सकते हैं. OneNote class notebook with learners, that's the 4th question. Homework वाली question यहाँ पे आएगी 4th वाली row में. You can select on daily, weekly, whichever you are using. Next comes Flipgrid with learners. कभी कभी आप यूज कर रहे हो once in a month, कोई टेस्ट दे रहे हो या कोई एक्टिविटीज करवा रहे हैं, we can select monthly, weekly. Use Minecraft Education Edition with learners. अगर आपने नहीं किया, you will click it never, rarely तो rarely accordingly. Share your teaching learning knowledge with your colleagues. आप अपने colleagues के साथ कितनी जल्दी शेयर करते हो. जैसे कोई नया टीचर आया, आप उनको हेल्प करा रहे हो, so that means you are sharing with your teacher. So you can put it daily या weekly. Suppose you have made a PowerPoint and you share it with your colleagues, that's also sharing. So उसमें भी आप qualify होते हो. So these are those type of questions. Next comes make code. I think I hit the glass. The water is down now. Good. So make code is there. Uh, Only 2-3 people from our school might have used make code. Maybe the IT department, they might have used to teach children something about that. Hacking STEM we haven't used. Imagine Academy we haven't used because that is something paid and हम नहीं करते हैं Imagine Academy को usage अभी तक. That's the third part of the phase 2. We come to the fourth part. How often do you use the following features of PowerPoint for teaching and learning? There are so many new features of PowerPoint. Few we are using, few we haven't used. So try using those in this week so that we can go ahead and select at least rarely, monthly. कुछ तो हम select करें है ना? So try use more and more of these options. What are those? Live presentations. मतलब जब आप वो हम रोज ही कर रहे हैं ना, live presentations we are giving using PowerPoint, so we can click on daily. Record slideshows. Suppose there is some tab in the special assemblies also we can end up using this. कुछ पीछे वीडियो चल रही है, हम आगे अपनी आवाज रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं, या जो वीडियो चल रही है उसको हमने स्लाइड रिकॉर्डिंग करी, स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग जिसको आप कहते हो, so that's also record slideshow. Saving a PowerPoint as a video.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
Yes ma'am.
मैम जैसे यहाँ पर डेली वीकली के ये 2-3 क्वेश्चन आए हैं, तो अगर हम अभी डेली भी यूज करते हैं तो क्या हम वहाँ पे डेली लिख देंगे? क्योंकि जैसे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट फॉर्म है, अभी हमें यूज किए हुए काफी टाइम हो गया, लेकिन पहले हमने काफी यूज किया है लास्ट सेशन में. तो व्हाट वी शुड राइट? डेली, वीकली, मंथली, कैसे लिखेंगे हम? अभी तो यूज करना ही बंद कर दिया एक तरह से, अब हम नहीं कर रहे. अगर सपोज हम करते भी हैं, अभी 10 दिन ही है हमारे पास, 10 भी नहीं है अभी, 5 दिन पड़े, अगर हम यूज करते हैं, then what we should write there? डेली है, वीकली है, क्या लिखेंगे हम?
See, this form is from your last MIE nomination till today. मतलब पिछली जुलाई में आपने जब अप्लाई किया था तब से अभी तक की रिकॉर्ड पूछ रहा है आपको. ओके, सो वी कैन एवरेज इट आउट. अगर आप तब यूज कर रहे थे और अभी नहीं कर रहे हैं, सो यू कैन पुट इट एज वीकली. और इवन इफ वी हैव बीन, उस वक्त हम रोज ही यूज कर रहे थे, देन वी कैन पुट इट अप डेली. दे जस्ट वांट टू नो कि आज के आज आप यूज कर रहे हो, ऐसी बात नहीं है. ये पूरी 1 ईयर की रिकॉर्ड है आपकी. तो कोई भी अभी कोई बंदा 4 तारीख को अप्लाई करेगा, कोई 24 तारीख को अप्लाई करेगा, तो इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी है कि वो एक एक को वैसे निकाल कर देखेंगे. चलो वो कैसे देखेंगे, दैट्स देयर प्रोगेटिव, बट वी हैव टू बी ऑनेस्ट टू आवरसेल्फ. अगर मुझे लग रहा है पहले मैंने बहुत यूज किया, अब मैं नहीं यूज कर रही हूँ, लेट्स एवरेज इट आउट, है ना? सो दैट इवन इफ समवन चेक्स द यूसेज, उसको दिखे कि अप्रैल अगस्त टू दिसंबर में this ID has used like n number of times they have used forms for the test and all, but now they haven't used, so let us put it up to weekly or so. Okay, play safe, that's what I would say. हमने कोई चीज को बढ़ा चढ़ा के नहीं बोलना, बट एट द सेम टाइम वी डोंट से कि नहीं ये तो हमने कभी किया ही नहीं, ये तो हम रोज ही करते हैं. एवरेज थिंग्स आउट so that even if your ID, anyone's ID is checked or something, they have a fair idea कि हाँ जी ये बंदे ने ये tool use किया है. And all of us are using our tools from our own IDs. I hope that satisfies the answer. Indu ma'am?
Yes ma'am, I understood. Thank you ma'am.
Okay, that's great. So rehearse with coach. There is another tab in the PowerPoint which we can rehearse. Like जब आप class deliver कर रहे हो ना, if you want to rehearse, you have the PowerPoint और आप rehearse with coach को करोगे, तो it takes some recording and it gives you inputs also कि यहाँ आप slow थे, यहाँ आप जल्दी बोल रहे थे, यहाँ आप रुक गए थे. You can try using those things. There are really learning is there जब आप use करोगे ये वाले tabs. So ये tabs they are asking. Slideshow tab में मिलेगा ये सब आप.
ये कहाँ से मिलेगा?
स्लाइड शो टैब पे.
ओके, लिखा हुआ है स्लाइड शो. ओके, थैंक यू मैम.
वेलकम मैम. सबटाइटल्स एंड प्रेजेंटिंग. यस मैम.
हाँ जी मैम, मैंने वो ना ट्रांसक्रिप्ट ट्राई किया था, लेकिन मेरे सेटिंग का ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है. मैंने पिक्चर भी शेयर की है चैट विंडो में. एक बार प्लीज चेक करके.
श्योर डेफिनेटली. ओके मैम, आप माई प्रोफाइल पे क्लिक करें, वहां पर आपको आएगी डाउनलोड करने की ऑप्शन. जो पिक्चर आपने अभी शेयर किया है ना.
हाँ जी मैम, डाउनलोड तो हो रही है. हाँ जी.
हाँ, ये सेटिंग्स वाली नहीं है, सेटिंग्स वाली माइक्रोसॉफ्ट लर्न पे आएगी. ये वाली education.microsoft.com है जो आपने पिक्चर शेयर की है.
ओके, यू हैव टू गो टू एजुकेशन.
ये वाली education.microsoft.com पे है, वो वाली microsoft.learn है.
ठीक है. ठीक है मैम, थैंक यू।
है ना, आई हैड शेयर्ड द वर्ड फाइल आप सबके साथ में आउटलुक पे, उसकी 3rd पेज पे है दैट लिंक आई सपोज. Phase 1 का last part is that link. Okay, so click on that link and we can open it directly from the link. Okay, so I
Excuse
go
me,
back
ma'am.
to the. Yes, ma'am, बताएं.
Ma'am, we need to fill the column with yes or tick under daily, weekly, monthly. What we need to write? Yes.
This I'll also have to check, ma'am, because this they have just taken a screenshot or something from the actual form. So we will have to click on the actual form and see what are the options available there.
Okay, this is not an actual form. The word file
No,
we
no,
have.
no, no, no. No, 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 no. They don't need a word file. There is a link, mienomination.edu, something like that is there, which is towards the end, which Hardeep ma'am was also asking कि वहां पे जाके मैंने register now पे click किया. So that is the actual form. We can just click on the form and go to next, next, next and see कि क्या कर सकते हैं वहां पे, just to get a hang of it, and then we get back to our word file and complete हमारा task कि हमने किसमें क्या करना है, and then we go back there. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Most welcome. So next is embedding forms. Like we are embedding forms in assignments or something in the PowerPoint only. They are asking about embedding forms, which comes from the insert tab. आपकी जो यहाँ पर insert tab है, page layout, references, review सब दिख रही है ना. So you click on this insert tab and you get it. This is WPS, so I'm not sure इसमें मिलेगा कि नहीं. Microsoft Forms पे, Microsoft PowerPoint पे they are asking this option is available or not. That's there. ठीक है. Next is inking when presenting. So many of you do this. I know it very well. While you are doing like art के teachers भी हो गए. Inking means जब आप present कर रहे हो lesson plan already and you are using this inking option PowerPoint पे left side पे you click on it, you get a cursor and you put a tick or something. जब आप MCQs पूछ रहे हो बच्चों को, so that's called inking. That's about this tab. Coming back to the next question, how often do you use following features of the Microsoft Edge browser? It's asking about the Edge browser. Now that's a in thing and they want the Edge browser to be more active and more used by everyone. And there are features also added compared to Google Chrome. Edge browser has got number of options. Okay, so these are all the options available in Edge. Immersive Reader. This is the Edge. You need to click on this and try using Edge nowadays for in spite of Google Chrome. Web capture कर रहे हो आप, collections कर रहे हो, link inking to PDF, translation, extension, read aloud. When we were preparing for this MTA thing, na, we were using this inking on PDF. हमें एक PDF मिली थी document. We had downloaded that and we were putting a tick or we were selecting the answers, we were highlighting the answers, we were doing all those things. So that's inking on PDF. Translations, extensions, read aloud. Read aloud means the way we use immersive reader है ना, बच्चों को पढ़ के जैसे बताते हैं रीड अलाउड. जैसे आप क्लिक करोगे, जैसे मैम वाज सेइंग कि गूगल क्रोम पे यू वांट टू हियर एनी वर्ड प्रोनाउंसिएशन और समथिंग, you click on that word and there's a mic option given, that's called read aloud. So browser पे Microsoft Edge पे it is asking if you want to select those options. The browser link is opening. Edge, Microsoft Edge is there, which is it's not a blue. Earlier Internet Explorer was completely blue E. Now they have launched. It's not now, since many years they have launched it, but people are not using much. So maybe this is another step ahead to promote Edge. Okay, we can open any page here. Let's see. I end up opening Office only. This is the Edge browser. This is how it looks. Come on, it's a white page. That's not what we want to see. Make it quick. This is the Edge browser that we have. And we can click on this page and open any of the browser. यहाँ पर आप Google open करें, कोई इसकी search engine is Bing. Okay, on that you go. यहाँ पर जो आपके options हैं, create QR code on this page. They are asking ना whether you want to create a QR code or not. This is the option. Here you go, app available, install Office करना है आपने, ये आपके add-ins हैं. You go to this plus and you create a collection. यहाँ पर you have different things, my day, settings. So it itself works like a browser, like a some what you call it, email ID or so option ki tarah na. It will give you all these. You can personalize an Edge browser to your own ID as well. So all the options they are asking, क्या आपने यूज किया है, क्या आपने आप यूज कर रहे हो, कितनी बार यूज कर रहे हो, इमर्सिव रीडर आप इसमें यूज कर रहे हो, रीड अलाउड नहीं कर रहे तो ना नहीं कर रहे लिख देते हैं. दे हैवंट सेड कि ये कंपलसरी है आपको यूज करना ना. So accordingly, we have to select the options here. Next comes how many Flipgrid virtual field trips. This ma'am had taken us through that day. Hardeep ma'am and Tejinder ma'am, we are thankful to them. Flipgrid or grid pals bana karke. I recommend make grid pals. Work on the Flipgrid also a little bit because slowly in November we are going to have the Skypeathon or global learning connections. अभी से आप connections बना के रखोगे, that time you will get more number of connections. ठीक है? I know it's easy to preach than practice, but still if you get any time, so try to practice as well. Next, I come to the question, through the immersive reader and learning tool, students can check. Now, these are the questions only for us and we have to understand and apply. These we are not something which you have to use and then do it. जैसे आपके quiz है educator community में, these are like that. So the PowerPoint presentation that ma'am had shared, चारू ma'am, उन्होंने इसमें select किए हुए थे answers. I'll share those also. I have already shared with many of them. So आप उसपे से भी देख सकते हो इसमें से कौन सी answer आपकी correct है. She had made it green in color. Accessibility checker in tools like PowerPoint, Word, Excel, OneNote. It's again a quiz-based question. These 1, 2, 3 hybrid classroom, formative assessment, 5, 6, 7. This is also there. 8, about 8 or 9 questions are there, which are quiz-based questions. Okay? Select calendar. So these are about 9 or 10 questions, in fact, for the phase 2. Yeah. Now the phase 2 is done. I see the time is 1:38. We do not have a staff meeting, so I would just prefer if you all could be there for some more time so that we can finish this complete understanding, and then you all can keep on working and write the questions in the MIE nomination group, so that maybe next week or somewhere when we meet, we all would be sharing screens and already apply हो गया कर लिया तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, नहीं किया तो सबने screen share करके apply करना होगा फिर. You have to share the screen and let us know that this is done, because we want everyone to do it pakka. There is no seeing back, there is no looking back. Okay. So once again, we take a 1-minute break, and please frame your questions that you have to ask, you have to know before we start the phase 3. Ma'am, you are not audible. Sharda ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I just muted. I said be ready with any questions. We take a 1-minute break for everyone to think. So, ma'am, I have one question. Sure. Yes, ma'am. So when we start applying this, so we will start with the phase 1. As you told now, ki we should ready with our questions, and can we how much time it will take to complete 3, means any time duration also they fixed, or we can do in bits and parts? Ma'am, usually they do not fix, and like none of them fix it. But I have a fear of this internet and this thing. Usually when these type of forms are written, especially this time when they have the phase 3, which has got 500 minimum words to write for each question. If we start writing there and typing, and agar आगे की form save नहीं हुई है or something like that happens, so then we are in a fix. पूरी चीजें दोबारा लिखनी पड़ेगी. Hence we are afraid कि ना करें. We have to go complete in one go. हाँ, it's better. उन्होंने ऐसा कहीं specify नहीं किया है कि complete it in one go, because what I remember last time also, हम थोड़ी कर देते, save पे click कर देते थे, फिर अगली पेज पे हम जाते थे, फिर हम save पे click कर देते थे. But मुझे बस ऐसे डाउट ही है कि save पे click करें, नहीं save हुआ, then हम जान नहीं पाएंगे ना whether our thing is saved or not. So that's why I'm little worried, and I want all of us to be ready with all the answers in Word file, so that एक बार जब हम बैठे, चाहे 15 मिनट चाहे आधा घंटा, पूरा कंप्लीट करके ही हटें. कॉपी पेस्ट जहां जहां हमने कॉपी पेस्ट करनी है, and wherever we have to click on or on the drop down answers, वो तो फिर it takes very less time. So we should complete it in one go and then we get up from that website.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, my other question is कि as in the beginning you said that first and second phase only we have to clear, then it will let us go to third phase. So in one go only, firstly we will complete all three phases, we will register it, then they will let us know that whether we have cleared phase 1 or 2. We should
Yes,
wait
ma'am.
for their respond. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, all right, ma'am.
Correct. You are very
Okay.
right when you say ki we have to complete all three in one go. But I read it in the mail or in the steps that they said if first two steps are not cleared, then you still have time for reapplying. That's why prefer completing it early. ऐसा उन्होंने specify किया हुआ है. So maybe we would get a mail or something क्योंकि they are doing this first time है ना कि partly by the machine and partly by the human beings जो पढ़ के correct करेंगे हमारी answer. So we still are not pretty sure कैसे वो बताएंगे, maybe a mail or message या कुछ भी कि you have not cleared, so please apply. So preferably if we all finish on time, so हमारे पास 20-25 दिन रहेंगे दोबारा apply करने के लिए. And in the meanwhile we continue using the tools and different things which are there, है ना?
Right, ma'am. And when I imagine if I will sit today and it will take maybe 2 hours to complete for me. So it's okay. No any fixed time they have given to us.
No. There's no fixed time. There's no fixed time.
Keep all the things ready first. Then I will sit open and go for this. So okay, ma'am. These were my question. Actually, I have created this 21st century learning design, these 2 courses, and this Microsoft Learn I will start today. Definitely I'll do that. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Very good. So we got a great motivation from ma'am when ma'am says that she has completed 21 CLD course and Microsoft Learn. So we all have to do, everyone, all of us should do it, है ना? ठीक है. So give me some more 10 minutes time for the phase 3 and then I'll take the questions further. Is that okay with everyone? Can I see some digital thumbs ups on the screen? Just a sort of motivation for me, teachers. Just to keep me going. Oh, great. Wow. 3, 7. Oh, 8. Great. Thank you so much. Thank you, my dear lovely teachers. So now, once again, yes, there's someone?
Yes, ma'am. Vasudha here. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon, ma'am. Go ahead, please.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I have just took a break. Then I rejoined the school. Then before I have just done many of the courses, like near about 80 approximately. But ma'am, when I just after this now November, when I have just logged in my ID of this Educator Microsoft, but there is no any course. It's not showing anything, ma'am. Not even a single course. So.
Yeah, I understand. Vasudha ma'am, do you remember the ID that you were using earlier? Is it same as now, or was there some change ID in the password or the educator community ID?
Yes, ma'am. It's changed because it's provided by the organization. So this time, Charu ma'am has given me the new one.
Correct. So what you should do is, last time I was facing this issue, not because I changed or something, because I was doing courses on personal thing and then there was work and school account, hai na? So the moment we click on office.com, we get 2 options, work account, school account. So earlier I was doing it on personal. If you have the ID and password of the previous one also, what I'll prefer is you log in there, take a transcript, PDF, download it, and go to this course or this ID also, do some courses here as well. At least try to complete 5 or 10, because if you do it the same way na, it will tell you कि this course is already completed. चाहे वो आपकी पुरानी ID में नहीं दिखा रहा होगा, you try logging in with the new one, and if there is a shift which they had in 2019, I think 2019 August or November, they had this change. So automatically they were transferring or they were shifting all the batches and everything फ्रॉम वन आईडी, जैसे दो एक किसी बंदे की 2 आईडी है, कोई 3 आईडीज यूज कर रहे हैं अलग अलग स्कूल से, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से और पर्सनल से, तो दे वर क्लबिंग ऑल दोज. So if it is not automatically done, earlier they were asking to send a mail and all, but अभी वो भी नहीं कर रहे हैं. You download PDF of both the IDs जितने भी आप कोर्सेज कर रहे हो, और आपको एक ये मिलेगी merge PDF. When you go to Google, either on the phone or on the laptop, and you write Google पे search करिए merge PDFs. The first link that you get, आपने उस पे क्लिक करना है, ये दोनों फाइल सेलेक्ट करनी है, वो merge हो जाएगा. उस पीडीएफ को यू मेक अ ट्रांसक्रिप्ट की लिंक, उस पीडीएफ को आपने वन ड्राइव पे अपलोड करना है और उसकी लिंक आप शेयर करिए. लास्ट टाइम आई डिड दिस ओनली, सो दिस टाइम तो आई स्टिल हैव मेनी कोर्सेज हियर. सो 2 पीडीएफ्स को मर्ज करके हम एक बनाएंगे और उसकी लिंक को हम अपनी यूआरएल, एजुकेटर कम्युनिटी की यूआरएल की तरह शेयर करेंगे. सो दैट इज आल्सो फाइन विद देम.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Understood.
Yes, ma'am. Sharda ma'am, if you remember, the same this issue was with me as well, because I was doing the courses with 2 IDs.
Correct, very much I remember. We discussed it कि कैसे करें मैम, वो जवाब नहीं दे रहे, आप इसको लिखिए उसको लिखिए.
Last year then I had completed a few courses with this present ID as well, so I didn't use that courses and I didn't show those, but this time definitely I will merge that PDF.
Sure, because we will have more number of batches and courses now if we merge both the PDF.
Previous ID I maybe completed more than 80 courses. So from here, so
they will recognize.
So I will do that. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Sure. Most welcome, ma'am. All right, children. So sorry, not children. I'm sorry. My mistake. All right, teachers. So we go back to this phase 3, which is very, very important. All the phases are important. The reason this one is important is there they are saying, if you can read it here, there is a 500 character count minimum required on these responses, not including spaces. So be succinct, but also be prepared to provide thoughtful answers that truly answer the questions. 500 words for teachers is not a big thing. I completely agree. However, if you have to provide accurate information, you need to gather the information from everywhere else. That's the reason I prefer, I request, I recommend that we all write these answers first and then we go. So first question is, where were you an MIE expert in 2020-21? Means the year which has just gone. If yes, you have to describe. If there's a no for the teachers who just joined, so it's a no, so you don't need to answer the first question. Describe how you contributed to MIE expert community to support other MIE experts and the growth of your colleagues. So whatever you have done, you made lesson plans, you shared it with your colleagues, you use different tools, we use different tools even in the special assemblies. All those can be included here. So we have to think about those points. जैसे आप sway बनाने के लिए सारी चीजें इकट्ठी करते थे ना, ये link, वो link, pictures ले लो, यहाँ से ले लो, उसी तरह से अभी sway नहीं बनानी, बस हमने answer लिखना है. So be prepared, at least 500 characters, frame your answers and then be ready. Second question, describe how you leverage Microsoft tools to increase accessibility for all learners in your classroom. What tools do you use and how do they support different learning needs? So here comes our assessment part, which is very, very important. You are helping different learners in different methods. छोटे बच्चे हैं, उनको हम अलग तरह से क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं. अगर हम आर्ट की टेस्ट ले रहे हैं, उनको हम अलग तरह से क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं. अगर हम इंग्लिश की ले रहे हैं, अलग तरह से करें. So वो चीजें you have to include it here, that what you are doing. Since my students are in grade 1 now, earlier I was a teacher of grade 3, now I'm a teacher of grade 6, I'm using these tools. I have changed my method, I have started including real life examples, I'm using more of my camera and switching on my camera and giving them a real life experience. I use pictures, I use GIFs, I use graphical representation. जो कुछ भी आप लिखना चाहते हो अपने बारे में, कि जब आपके बच्चे छोटे हैं तो आप क्या कर रहे हो. See, they are asking about accessibility for all learners. मतलब कोई बच्चा अगर थोड़ा डल है, suppose you have a student in your class whose parents said that my child is not understanding what he or she is learning. So you are giving extra time to that child, okay? suppose 15 minutes or 20 minutes, or you ask the child to read and record a video and send it to you separately, audio or video. You listen to that, you correct her or him, and then you send it back. Ki, bete, do this pronunciation was not correct. So that's also you are putting more efforts. You are very much welcome to write those type of things, and everyone loves to know artifacts. जब आप सच लिखोगे ना बच्चों के नेम के साथ या अपनी असलियत स्टेप्स के साथ कि हाँ मैंने ये किया है, so people would prefer listening to that, reading that and appreciate. So make sure ये ऐसी जो भी points है आपने याद रखनी है कि पिछले साल ये बच्चा बहुत डल था, पिछले साल ये बच्चे ने classes नहीं attend की, but this time after he or she has joined my class, he is doing good, he is working fine and he is showing improvement in his studies. You need to tell them those things. ये चीजें बतानी है आपने, which come under question number 2, right? Think. Take 10 seconds, calm your brain, think, and then write the answers. We proceed to question number 3 now. Tell us about a series of lessons, a unit or a project you did with learners that incorporate Microsoft technology for improved learning outcomes. What 21 CLD skills were included in the learning, and explain in detail how those skills were developed. Okay, so here you can include everything, whether we are participating in a Wakelet project, because see what 21 CLD skill is. We have done the course. Those are something like creativity, communication, collaboration, critical thinking, problem solving, digital literacy. Okay, these all are 21 CLD skills. So any subject or lesson or a project that you have undertaken, suppose we have the special assembly, there also children are learning creativity and communication. Suppose we have a rethink project, that is also there, it's a Wakelet project, or a Microsoft Global Learning Connection, that is your Skypeathon. You can write about everything. You can write about all these. 20 students of my class participated in Microsoft Global Learning Connection. We shared our India's culture with this country, and ये country था, ये आपके educator थे, ये आपके वो what do you call it, the opposite person, guest speaker was there, है ना? उनका names भी आप लिख सकते हो information लेकर के इस question में कि these are the 21st century CLD skills developed. What are they? Communication develop हुई, बच्चों ने presentation बनाई खुद से, 4, 5, 6 के बच्चों ने, they are giving presentations, so they are developing collaborative skills. That also we can specify. है ना? You are giving them opportunity, you are giving them lesson earlier and saying next week you are going to deliver. So those also we can mention in question number 3, right? Then we come to question number 4 first, and then we go back to 5. They have written 5, then 4, and again 5, because 3, 4, 5 are interlinked, little same to each other. Question number 4 mein they are saying, describe what the artifact, the result of student learning is, to which you shared a link, how it demonstrated the desired learning objectives. So what you can do, जब आप बच्चों को कह रहे हैं ना कि आपने lesson देनी है और बच्चों ने कोई PowerPoint बनाई है, a collaborative one, you can make a link of it, and you know you can make a link of everything when we have OneDrive access. अगर आप online Word, online PowerPoint पे काम कर रहे हो, of course we have a link. And if we are not doing offline कर रहे हैं तो उसको upload कर दीजिए और फिर link बना लीजिए. So your lesson plans, जैसे आपकी Wakelet आपने बनाई है, आप अपनी Wakelet की link यहाँ पे डाल सकते हो कि this is my collaborative work जो मेरे बच्चों ने करा है, Flipgrid हमने embed किया, बच्चों ने arts बना करके दिए, posters बना के दिए, वो भी आप यहाँ पे डाल सकते हो. वो सारे आप यहाँ पे Wakelet की link, PowerPoint की link, lesson plans की link, OneNote if you are using, and if you are using Adobe web pages, you can do that as well. All the links can be pasted here sequence में 1 2 3 4 5 number लिख करके या enter click करके आप वो links लगा देंगे question number 4 में, where it says share a link. और तो और if you want कि मेरी Microsoft Streams की recording है, मैंने उसको download करके रखी है, आप उसकी भी link लगा दीजिए, but make sure we add a link of everything. ठीक है? Coming to question number 5, which I suppose is the last question for phase 3. Here it says, share 2 examples of how you have supported both your own learning and the learning and growth of your colleagues. Describe the activities that you completed and led, how it resulted in better teaching and learning. That's why I said 3, 4, 5 are all similar, little difference. So 5 में आपने ज्यादा अपने colleagues के बारे में कैसे आपने share किया, आपने खुद की growth और उनके growth को कैसे help किया, वो आपने यहाँ पर लिखनी है. 4 is about the students and teacher, 5 is about teachers and teachers. कि हमने ये बनाया, हम lesson plan share कर रहे हैं, या we attended workshops, या अगर आप CBSE की workshops attend कर रहे हो, आप वो भी specify कर सकते हो. अगर आपने summer vacations में पिछले बार, not for us but for others which was there, if you have attended the webinars, workshops, you can have that, and whatever certificates you got, you can share those certificates pictures as well. Sorry. So what I was trying to say here is the certificates that we have got, how do you share their pictures? Pictures are not required here, they want a link. So you can have a word file or something जिसमें सारे certificate की pictures आप लगा दो, उसके बाद आप उसकी एक link बना लो, and you can share those links. Okay, or you have a folder in your OneDrive wherein you have pasted all the images, JPGs, आपने जितने भी सर्टिफिकेट्स मिले सब आपने लगा लिया, और वो जो फोल्डर है OneDrive की, उसकी लिंक आप भेज दो, यहाँ पर आप अपने URL को लगा दो लिंक को. दैट्स ऑल्सो पॉसिबल. ओके, so they just want to see आज कि हमने कितना कुछ करा है for every educator all around the world, not only India, not only Punjab, but everyone around the world. So it's our creativity, how well can we depict it. And as they said, maximum is 2000 characters. So remember, लिखते लिखते ऐसा ना हो 2000 से ज्यादा क्रॉस हो जाए. इसे हम बच्चों को कहते हैं ना, इट्स अ वर्ड लिमिट, 50 शब्दों में लिखिए, तो 50 का 52 52 कर दो, 55 कर दो, उससे बहुत ज्यादा मत करना. तो सिमिलरली 2000 का 2005 कर लो, 2010 कर लो, उससे बहुत ज्यादा नहीं हमने आगे जाना. एंड मिनिमम 500, so try to keep it between 1000 1500. That's an ideal one which I feel. If you do not have much to write, if you have much to write, then of course 1999 is also okay with me. Yeah. So phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, we have discussed. It's 1 o'clock and 58 minutes. I'll quickly take 5 more minutes. These are all links, pretty self-explanatory. Click on the Word file, open these links. The source and courses are there. Educator community की link है. Office 365 Teacher Academy की link है. Flipgrid की links हैं. Other teams की link है. Minecraft Education Edition. All the links are there. अब ये हम पर depend करता है हम कितनी patientfully इसको handle करते हैं. 21 CLD, the learning path यहाँ पर दी हुई है. We can open it from educator community. However, if we do not locate or is there any difficulty, from the Word file, we click on this 21st century learning design जो लिखी है link. You can click on this and it opens up. Make code की link is there, hacking STEM is there, Imagine Academy is there. So everything which we read earlier कि ये चीजें आपने की होनी चाहिए, उन सब की link भी उन्होंने यहाँ पर दे दी है. And prefer using all your same ID, which is your education.microsoft.com की ID or the Teams ID, which we call it. Okay, for every activity that you do related to this, prefer using the Teams ID only, so that we have all the relevant information. So yes, now I am done. It's 1 o'clock and 59 minutes. Whatever I had to inform about the training, about the MIE nomination, the floor is open for questions, if any.
Ma'am, I have done 21 CLD course, both the courses.
That's very good.
Ma'am, one question is there. The same one जैसे वसुधा मैम पूछ रहे थे कि मुझे भी है ना वो ट्रांसक्रिप्ट में पुराने वाले शो नहीं हो रहे.
आपने फिर दूसरी आईडी यूज की होगी जब हमारी शिफ्ट हुई ना. जैसे मैं दिखाती हूँ आपको. अगर आप लॉग आउट कर देते हैं हम office.com या education से, I'll just log it out and try to log in once again. Maybe I'll get that option. If you remember both the IDs and passwords correctly, try logging into both and download both the transcripts. Okay, and merge both the transcript. Okay, so now the page is visible which shows education.microsoft.com. sign in wali page hai. राइट साइड पे आप देखेंगे साइन इन. द मोमेंट आई क्लिक ऑन साइन इन, इट विल प्रॉम्प्ट मी फॉर, लेट मी सी, ये प्रॉम्प्ट करता भी है कि ये खुद ही अंदर चला जाता है, बिकॉज आई सेड कि नेवर आस्क मी कर देती हूँ ना मैं यूजुअली. तो ओके, सी द मोमेंट आई क्लिक्ड ऑन दैट आईडी, तो इसने मुझे पूछी नहीं, खुद ही ले ली. बट ये दो पूछ रहा है मुझे क्वेश्चन, वर्क और स्कूल अकाउंट, पर्सनल अकाउंट. सो पहले आई वाज आल्सो डूइंग विद दिस पर्सनल अकाउंट. ये पर्सनल अकाउंट पे क्लिक करके मैं करती थी कोर्सेस. और अभी भी मेरी जो ट्रेनर एकेडमी है ना, ट्रेनर की कोड है वो यहीं पर है, पर्सनल अकाउंट में ही है. सो व्हाट आई डिड लास्ट टाइम वाज, एंड लकीली दोनों का पासवर्ड भी शायद मैंने सेम ही रखा है एज फार एज आई रिमेम्बर. वी आर अपडेटिंग आवर टर्म्स. अच्छा जी, ये लोग टर्म्स अपडेट कर रहे हैं. सो वी जस्ट नीड टू डाउनलोड बोथ द पीडीएफ, और दोनों को मर्ज पीडीएफ पे जाइए, पीडीएफ मर्ज कर दीजिए, एंड देन यू कैन क्रिएट अनदर लिंक. हाउएवर दे आर आस्किंग फॉर 26 कोर्सेज. इफ आपने 26 कर लिए हैं अभी इस वाले आईडी में, तो दैट्स फाइन विद देम. मैक्सिमम 26 ही पूछ रहे हैं वो, है ना. सी यहाँ पर अगर आप देखोगे सेम चीज ओपन हुई है, बट मोमेंट आई क्लिक हियर माय प्रोफाइल, देखें यहाँ कितने हैं बैचेस. if they have not merged, then I can see here. See, the page opens 2019 वाली open होती है. इसमें इतने ही है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, it's opening the complete page. I just can't count the numbers here. There are few here. I will later maybe I can see the pages, या कैसे पता करें इसको. It starts with this inspiring social change leaders, 11th of November, है ना. Now I go back to that page. This I had used with the personal account. Now I'll try using it from the school account. Okay, once again I open the sign in page. Click on sign in. Just clicked it, it's opening. Trying to sign you in. So earlier I clicked on this personal account and I got those certificates. Now I'm clicking on the work or school account. It's asking for password. I enter the password. So it's saying update. अच्छा जी, नहीं update मत करिए. Okay, don't show this again. I just typed in hurry, so maybe I missed some word or something, but now it's opening. I'm sorry, I'm not sure why I have a dry throat. Yeah, so this is my work or school account. Again, I click here. I click on the profile part and let me see from where do I start. See, there was some other batches there. कुछ white color से आ रहे थे first row में batch. इसकी first row की batch देखिए different है. Okay. So both the IDs I have got these number of courses. अब यहाँ पर भी इतनी सारी batches और courses हैं. So I can download both. इसमें थोड़ी कमी है. It just finished. I started, maybe one page has got 22 or something like that. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. I think till this is going to be one page. So 21 or 21, 42, 44 कुछ होंगे इसमें, इस वाली ID में. Okay. So if that is the case, ये खत्म होगी इतनी जल्दी. And that one had about 5 or 6 pages. So I download both. यहाँ पे हम जाएंगे view transcript पे click करेंगे, download both, and we will merge it, merge PDF, and we can upload it. So similarly you can also try, जिसको भी confusion है, work school account पे और personal account पे, दोनों पे try करके देख लीजिएगा. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Great. Any other questions? I'm just stopping to share my screen. In the meanwhile, I'm generating a code. I would share the code with you all, and I request you all to redeem the code. Till I'm here, I'll take few more seconds. You can ask questions, please.
Shada ma'am, again the same question is there, that how we can get the form, this form, so that I can fill it.
Oh, yes, sure. Give me a second. I'll just open the mail. Aman ma'am had shared that link also last time. Let me see if it's there on the chat window. Aman ma'am, can you help me here in this? Yeah, I think it's aka.ms/edu nomination. I'm sorry, I just asked you and I buzzed in the answer. I'm sharing it on the chat window. You all can take it from here. This is the browser site from where we can apply. Thank you, Aman ma'am. She's also shared it. http://2/aka.ms/.
Yes, ma'am. I'm having it.
Okay.
If you click on this now, ma'am, I will. If I click on this link, I will copy and paste it there. It will take me to one page, and that page says me to enter the your IDs and all that. And very soon we will contact you on your email. But from the last 4 days, I have not get any email ID or something. Nothing has happened.
Sure, never mind. We'll do it right away. The other day when we had this session with who was that? Navdeep Kullar ma'am. She was there, है ना? So when she had shared this, I just clicked on it and opened it. Didn't let me open. Then Aman sir said, "Ki why don't you open it on the Edge browser and copy paste it?" So we will do that as well. Just now over the call within few seconds. In the meanwhile, anyone? Sorry, go ahead.
Ma'am, can you make me presenter? I can show my screen to you if it's okay.
Sure.
I will take 1 minute only.
Definitely, we would love to hear. I think all of us are presenters here, aren't we? You can share, I think, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sharda ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
when I opened my account, it doesn't ask me for the workplace or personal account. कुछ नहीं पूछा, सीधा ही खोल दिया मेरा.
Okay. So maybe आप already वही use कर रहे हो ना? शायद इसलिए.
Ma'am, ये देखिए.
Maybe.
ये I think my screen is visible, ma'am. मैम ये वाला लिंक जो आपने मुझे अभी दिया, मैंने भी इसको किया, कॉपी किया और पेस्ट किया, राइट? आई एम गोइंग ऑन दिस पेज. इसमें हरदीप पटवाल, कमला नेहरू पब्लिक स्कूल, एवरीथिंग इज देयर. बट where I have to click to get the form, that's only my, see, this is there.
Okay.
This page I'm getting.
Yeah, this is your SharePoint, I think. Isn't it your SharePoint?
No, ma'am. See that this is the link which you send me, right? If I click on this, if I will click this page is going to be there. See that? That's a problem. That's the thing what I'm getting at. See, yesterday night I did something and I can see this page. Everything is there.
Okay.
I have no idea what.
Do we find anything? Yeah, try clicking on this 3 equals to, no? Settings, Bing, customize, show menu, show interest. Okay, never mind. We'll go ahead and check that as well. Aman ma'am or anyone else who would like to share the screen and who have opened the page earlier and checked.
Okay, thank you so much.
Most welcome, ma'am. We will solve it and then only we'll go back from here. Not to worry.
Okay, thank you so much.
Most welcome, ji. Yeah, we are waiting. Is there anyone who would like to share education edition? Aman ma'am, are you on your laptop?
Now, ma'am, I am on phone.
You're on phone. Okay.
हाँ जी मैम, I have shared the screen, Shraddha ma'am.
Okay, this is your screen. Huh? Yes, go ahead, ma'am.
This is the link. Is it okay? It is
This
different
is,
from what
yeah,
ma'am
yes.
shared.
Register now. Click.
Yes.
Click on that.
You have-
Register now.
हाँ ये
I tried.
मैम ये कल मैंने रात को ये रजिस्टर नाउ एंड साइन इन पे क्लिक किया तो सारे डिटेल्स अपने फिल किए सेम आई हैव एंड देन आई लैंडेड टू दिस पेज
Okay. Then you landed to that page.
That's I have done yesterday night. I have done this all.
Okay. Because I didn't go till that step. Maybe I'll try, and then if I get anything, I would be able to inform you.
Because
But
yeah,
till now, what
I just clicked on a workplace. Everything I filled the details about the Kamala Nehru school and address of the Kamala Nehru. The Charu ma'am has sent an email to us, PPT as है ना. मैंने सारा वो कॉपी कर करके ये सारा पेस्ट किया और जब एंड अप हुआ तो दैट पेज इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. उसके आगे क्या होना मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही है.
Okay.
Just yeah. So that's I don't know what is happening now. But you might be you register and then you will get it what to do next, है ना?
Sure. Definitely. I'll do that and I'll let you know about it. ठीक है?
Sure,
Select and create. I'm just trying to create other training topic is required. Okay. So teachers, if you all are on your educator community.
मैम यहाँ पे जब साइन इन के लिए पूछ रहा है तो इट इज गिविंग डिफरेंट ऑप्शन जैसे फेसबुक, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट अकाउंट, वर्क प्लेस और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एम्प्लॉय. तो यहाँ पर हम कोई चूज करेंगे?
हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स वील चूज द माइक्रोसॉफ्ट अकाउंट जिसमें ऑरेंज कलर की वो बॉक्स की तरह बनी हुई है.
यस, मतलब वर्क और स्कूल अकाउंट नहीं करना है यहाँ पे यूज ना.
करेक्ट.
ये जब हमने फॉर्म फिल करना है तभी हम साइन इन करें या पहले करके रख सकते हैं जितना आता है ऐसे साथ साथ
पहले करके रख लीजिए.
ओके,
है ना, पहले करके रख लेते हैं. So if you all are on educator community, the code is T for Tango. I'm putting it in the chat window also. Space SP, S for Sharda, P for Pullavatla. What you call, we used to call it Sierra Papa in our corporate language, है ना? And I think that's Charlie after that. I should write it. This laptop pe chat window is taking lot. I'll write it on the phone. Kindly redeem this code. You would definitely get some score for this, and those batches would also be counted. So T for Tango hyphen Sierra Papa, that's SP, C for Charlie, F for Freddy, 6 the number, D for Delta, all are in capital, and 21, that's the number 21. It's on the chat window. I'm going to share this in the MIE nomination group also. Whichever is convenient to you, kindly take it from there. And ma'am has also shared the presentation link, which is quite similar to what we were thinking now. We did it from the Word file, and headmistress ma'am has shared it from the presentation, which we got it earlier. Also, this was shared in various groups. You can refer to that as well. Okay. Any other questions that we have, please? I am stopping the recording now. Thank you so much everyone for attending. I am here only for next 5 minutes.